Welcome to Italian Curse. I have to go in Italian. Devo andare. Devo andare means I have to go. Here, devo means I have to. Andare means go. So we can say devo andare. Devo andare means I have to go. Devo andare. Then I want to learn. I want to learn in Italian is voglio imparare. Voglio imparare means I want to learn. Here, voglio means I want. Imparare means to learn. So we can say voglio imparare means I want to learn. Voglio imparare. Then I need to sleep. I need to sleep. In Italian is ho bisogno di dormire. Ho bisogno di dormire means I need to sleep. Here, ho means I, bisogno means need. So we can say ho bisogno means I need. Di dormire means to sleep. So we can say I need to sleep. Ho bisogno di dormire. Then I would like to eat. I would like to eat. In Italian, vorrei mangiare. Vorrei mangiare means I would like to eat. Vorrei mangiare. Here, vorrei means I would like. Vorrei means I would like. Mangiare means to eat. Mangiare means to eat. So we can say vorrei mangiare. I would like to eat. Then I try to exercise daily. I try to exercise daily. In Italian is cerco di fare esercizio ogni giorno. Cerco di fare esercizio ogni giorno means I try to exercise daily. Here, cerco di fare means I try. Esercizio means exercise. Ogni giorno means daily. So we can say cerco di fare esercizio ogni giorno means I try to exercise daily. Cerco di fare esercizio ogni giorno. Then I can do it. I can do it. In Italian, posso farlo. Posso farlo means I can do it. Here, posso means I can. Posso means I can. Farlo means do. Farlo means do. So we can say posso farlo. Posso farlo means I can do it. Posso farlo. Then I could run fast. I could run fast. In Italian, potevo correre veloce. Potevo correre veloce means I could run fast. Potevo correre veloce. Here, potevo means I could. Correre means run. Veloce means fast. So we can say potevo correre veloce. I could run fast. Then it may rain. It may rain. In Italian, può piovere. Può piovere means it may rain. It may rain. Può piovere. Here, può means it may. Piovere means rain. So we can say può piovere means it may rain. Può piovere. Then he might come. He might come. In Italian, potrebbe venire. Potrebbe venire means he might come. Here, potrebbe means he might. Potrebbe means he might. Venire means come. Venire means come. So we can say potrebbe venire. Potrebbe venire means he might come. Potrebbe venire. Then you must go. You must go in Italian is devi andare. Devi andare means you must go. Here, devi means you must. Devi means you must. Andare means go. So we can say devi andare means you must go. Devi andare. Devi andare. You must go. Then you should study. You should study in Italian. Dovresti studiare. Dovresti studiare means you should study. You should study in Italian is dovresti studiare. Here, dovresti means you should. Studiare means study. So we can say dovresti studiare means you should study. Then you should be brave. You should be brave in Italian. Dovresti essere coraggioso. Dovresti essere coraggioso means you should be brave. Here, dovresti means you should. Essere means be. Coraggioso means brave. So we can say dovresti essere coraggioso means you should be brave. Dovresti essere coraggioso. Then he must be happy. He must be happy in Italian is deve essere felice. Deve essere felice means he must be happy. Deve essere felice. Here, deve essere means he must be. Felice means happy. So we can say deve essere felice means he must be happy. Deve essere felice. Then it can be dangerous. It can be dangerous in Italian is può essere pericoloso. Può essere pericoloso means it can be dangerous. It can be dangerous. Okay? Here, può essere means it can be. Può essere means it can be. Pericoloso means dangerous. So we can say può essere pericoloso means it can be dangerous. Then you have to be patient. You have to be patient in Italian is devi essere paziente. Devi essere paziente means you have to be patient. Here, devi essere means you have to be. Devi means you have to. Essere means be. Paziente means patience. So we can say devi essere paziente means you have to be patient. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.